Hey guys, we're here with Dell at CES 2024, checking out the brand new Alienware M16. Though this is a gaming laptop, it has a very stealthy feature. Let's check it out. This is a laptop for gamers who don't want everybody to know that they're gaming. So if you're out and about, you may not want all this RGB stuff going on. What's cool is now you click on the F2 key and all the keys just turn white, RGB goes off. This Alienware logo shuts off, which is kind of interesting. And what's cool is when you hit F2, it also goes into regular mode. Basically, it goes into productivity mode, turns off performance mode, so you don't have to, use up so much power, which is really cool. But obviously, if you're ready to play games and you're not around anybody, flip on F2, get the RGB back, you get performance mode, and it runs great. Graphics wise, we have up to an RTX 4070 GPU, which is plenty of power for modern games, which is great. But as I said, if you hit F2, it turns off performance mode, and we're just using the dedicated graphics, so you're not using up as much power, which is a really cool design. This model has removed the thermal shelf from the back, which actually makes it smaller, easier to carry it around, which is obviously good. But other than that, it still retains the same basic design that all Alienware laptops are known for. It's still slightly heavy, but not too bad. And because it's smaller, you actually lose some ports, but you still have all the main ones. You have HDMI, you have an Ethernet, and of course, my personal favorite, USB-A for legacy. Another design choice that's interesting is that because this isn't a dedicated gaming laptop, you could actually now turn the display 180 degrees. So if you want to get comfortable on your couch with this, you can, no problem. It looks a little weird, but it's actually pretty cool. All right, guys, so that was our first look at the Alienware M16 R2. I really like the new redesign, but I want to know what you think, so make sure you drop your comments down below. And for everything else CES, make sure you follow Tom's Guy at Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you next time. Later.